Good Saturday afternoon to you. Steve Gaskins with Fine Woodworking in South Carolina. Just wanted to show you a couple of things I had going on in my shop. Sometimes it's fun just to see what other people have going on. So let me flip this thing around and we'll look at a few items. Won't take a minute. This bench here belongs to a friend of mine. It's actually about 75, maybe 85 years old. We really don't know. But what's unique about it is the sides of the boards, over 16 inches. Same thing on the side support, one blank. You can see where it was saw cut at the mill because of the wide curve, 1/4 inch wide. That's what we would call 8/4 today. But all the boards are really, really wide. This comes out. For storage. This came out of a church about 2 miles from here, which I'm a member of. And this bench was one of 2 wood benches. Back in the day, they stored wood inside the cavity. And then the person tending to the fire would sit on the bench. And when needed, we'd take the wood out of the cavity, storage area, and stoke the fire and keep the church warm. Like I said, it doesn't belong to me. It belongs to a good friend of mine, but I wanted to share that with you. Thought about having a fire this morning, but I never got around to it. This is a video that I just released this morning on this marking gauge. It was a fun little bill. Made out of curly maple and walnut. Has the knob on the top to be able to adjust the beam. Got a little project. Some projects I need to get finished. Over here are some things, some southern yellow pine that I've had stickering for months and months. The same guy that owns the bench that we looked at gave me this light. I'm in the process of redoing it. This is the globe. All that goes together. And back here, I've got a southern yellow pine 4x4 that I'm going to use timber framing. And this is part of the design of the post that I'm going to put that up in a corner way over there between them 2 windows. So that's where that's going to go. The light's going to hang down. I might do a video on that, not sure yet, but I might. If you want to see one, let me know. Some cheese boards I've been working on for a while. Sugary boards, cherry, walnut, pear, walnut, cherry, hard maple, white oak. This one here, this white oak, and this white oak came from a down limb in 2014. Tropical storm Andrea came through in late 2013. I took a big limb off a white oak tree at my dad's house, and that's part of that limb. I actually got it and stayed it for 10 years and finally did something with it. But I like the design. It's a design that I made. I got it. That's the design up there. But anyway, this is a 70, 75, 80, 85-year-old lathe. I bought it from the Charleston Naval Shipyard. A guy that owned a furniture place down there, he bought it from the shipyard. And I need to get it running. It was running when it left the shipyard. It is three-phase, but I have a three-phase converter. So I just need to get it running. Let's go back over here. I just finished a photo shoot. This is the side table I just finished. I do have a video of that if you want to see it. And I just took some updated pictures. I'll throw a few of them in there for you to look at. Of this cradle. I made this cradle 12 years ago. Yep, 12. My grandson is 11, and that was his cradle. It is his cradle. So I handed it down to his children, and maybe right on down. This is a slant front desk that I really need to get back on. This started out as a project with the late Lonnie Bird. Lonnie was a good friend, a mentor of mine. Sadly, Lonnie has since passed. But anyway, I've got all the components. I really need to get back. If you don't know what a slant front desk is, do a Google search and you'll find. I don't know if I'm going to go with OG bracket feet or just bracket feet. I'm leaning toward OG. This is another unfinished project, a class that I took quite a few years ago by Charles Brock. Sam Maloof inspired rocking chairs. I need to get back on that. I need to get that finished. And hopefully I can do that soon. I want to move that piece and that piece into my house. Not sure about this one. I might try to sell that one. It'll be a beautiful piece when it's done. It's tiger maple, curly maple. The rocking chair is walnut. Well, I guess that's about it, really. I just had some stuff out here that I was doing a photo shoot and thought I would show them to you while they were out here. And there's some stuff that I really need to get back on. This is a chair, shop stool that I made a few years ago. I got a video out on that, if you would like to see that. All right. Hi, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little shop update. A few things I have going on in the shop, things I need to do in the shop, like always. I've always got a lot of them. But, I get to it in time. Love and appreciate you guys. God bless.